It's essential to know when it's time to replace your pipe wrench to ensure safe and effective use. One of the primary signs is visible damage to the jaws. If the teeth are worn down or chipped, they will no longer grip pipes securely, compromising the tool's effectiveness. Another indicator is rust or corrosion that cannot be removed, which can affect both the function and safety of the wrench. If the adjustment mechanism becomes stiff or fails to hold the wrench in place, it may indicate internal wear, making it difficult to adjust the size accurately. Similarly, if the handle has any cracks, bends, or breaks, it can cause instability during use and pose a safety risk. Excessive wobbling or difficulty in tightening or loosening pipes may also signal that the wrench's internal parts are worn out. If the pipe wrench slips frequently despite using the correct technique, it's a clear sign that it's no longer providing adequate grip. If you notice any of these issues, it's time to replace your pipe wrench. Regular inspection and maintenance can help extend the life of your tool, but when these signs appear, replacing the wrench is necessary to maintain your safety and efficiency.